is it?
That is. You brought you a choo-choo train. What is all that stuff?
Hey, way up. Still are you the same?
Well, come on, let's go check out the presents. Do you think Mommy and Daddy got presents too? Do you think we were good enough?
Oh.
But you, Ollie, got presents too.
Still are you the same? You said us. Good daddy, you're so green.
Come on, let's go check it out. Take pictures or... Come on. Uh-oh. Fumble!
So green.
You want to turn it on? Want Mommy's help? Hey, it fell off then. Well, here, let's open one of your presents. The green ones are your presents. All the green ones. The red ones are Mommy's. You gonna open some of Mommy's? Okay. What did I get? What did I get? It's a piece of your art! You opened that one now. It's one of yours. Here, Ollie. What is it? Is that a shirt? What is it? Oh, it's an iPad case for the car. So when you're in Daddy's car, we can just put it up there.